Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to add a bio to your profile on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. Personalizing your profile with a bio is a great way to share a bit about yourself and connect with others on the platform. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu and click on your profile. This will take you directly to your profile page where you can see your current information. Next, find and click on the Edit Profile button. This option allows you to make changes to your profile details, including your bio. Now, locate the bio section. Here, you can type in whatever you want your bio to say. Whether it's a short introduction, a professional tagline, or a fun fact, this is your chance to express yourself in up to 160 characters. After you've written your bio, simply click the Save button to apply the changes. Your profile will now display your new bio, making it more engaging and personalized. And that's it. Adding or updating your bio on X using your PC is quick and easy. A well-crafted bio helps others understand who you are and what you're about. So take your time to make it reflect your personality or interests. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on making the most of your social media profiles.